Mr. Wealth Answer here with another video. Alright guys, in today's video I am going to give an update to my DeFi experiment. I haven't done a video like this for a while, so I just wanted to kind of give an update on a lot of the platforms we were following. We had money invested inside, and some of them were hoping to make some money. Others we tried to make some money, and others we did make some money. But I'm going to go over everything in this video. So for those that are following along, and for those that are looking to answer the question, can we make money in this DeFi space? It's been an interesting journey. And then after the video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to pivot and the next set of crypto type of projects that I am looking to participate in, and hopefully it's going to be a little better. But nevertheless, let me share with you what I have. Before I do though, not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Everything we share on this channel is just for information, it's for education. Also, just to show you what works for us, what doesn't work for us, what we're doing to make money, so that you guys can kind of formulate your own strategy or ideas as to what you can participate in to make money for yourself. So with that said though, let's jump into a couple of websites that we recently have been following. Let me give you an update on those. And then after that, we'll jump into the actual spreadsheet where I'll break down the numbers for you. All right, so the first website we have is Servex, and we did participate a little bit in this project. We had $800. We actually got some money out of it. And once we got the money out, we put an extra $800 in, and then we tried to try their new compound plan, I think $500, to see how it would work out. What I have realized personally with this specific project is that they are not paying out, and it looks like they're going through some type of issue. So once I see those type of red flags, I just consider the platform gone, because I've never seen platforms come back. Most of the time, majority of the time, I wouldn't say never, but they barely come back when they're facing DDoS attacks or some type of attack on their domain or whatever their exit strategy is. So I've realized that this is probably a gone project. So whatever we've earned, I'm going to take it as that. And then if it's a loss, that's fine. It's part of the experiment we're trying to do here to see, hey, can we make money with these platforms? All right. So in a nutshell, drawn 907, almost $160 or $180 of that is pending. Even though when you go to withdraw, it shows that the funds have been sent. So as you can see in transactions, it would say success, 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 but it hasn't actually arrived in my crypto wallet. So that there just shows me that something's wrong with the platform. And when I go to the Telegram channel, they're asking to sign up with another platform, and before they will issue you the balance on this platform, you have to go to that website, sign up, put an extra, I believe $60 or some type of money inside before they will actually give you access to this account. Just a bunch of stuff. So either that got hacked and they're playing around, or the person managing this is probably exiting. So I don't know what's going on with this personally, but I am just going to allow it to be, and we're going to take this as the loss that it is. All right, so now let's jump into the other platform that I just got started with, and we'll see how that is going. Okay, so the next project is 12 hourly earnings. We have not yet taken this money out, so I'm just going to still place a withdrawal, and let's count my luck. We try to withdraw our first batch of 288, and it's still pending as of today. So let's go to withdraw. Let's go here. Let's select the method, and we are now going to click final amount. I think it's at 864. We did put 800 in. If we do cash this out, we'll be up almost $400. All right, so let's put that amount in here. So the final amount is 864, and it says wallet address. I'm gonna put it there, and now let's withdraw. So it says withdraw successfully done. Go to back dashboard. Can now see the balance is zero. Pending is 1152. So that would include the 800 we put in here plus $352, I believe, in profit. Now, if we're able to get it. Now, it hasn't come in, and I'm hoping it does, because we would like to get some of that money back, but that's part of the risk that we take on some of these projects. All right, so that's the update with this one. I am probably gonna count it as not paying, because if it hasn't honored the first withdrawal and it's been almost a few days, I don't know what's going on. One thing I've noticed, that even though it's good to get into projects early, you do run the risk that if the project doesn't take off, then you may not get any money back, and that's happened to me a couple of times. So that is kind of like the risk you take for jumping in early, but the benefits too of jumping in early is you get to stay in the project longer and recoup your money quicker and make money on top of that. All right, so welcome to my DeFi experiment spreadsheet. So far, as you can see, we're minus 6,000, almost 7,000 of monies put in. We've made about 59. We've cashed out 50,000. Our principal is sitting at 66,000. The difference is 6,865. But considering that we haven't taken out all the principal, we're probably a little bit pending. So it's probably more than that because you have this 8,000 here. Now this number here just shows with affiliate earnings, how much money are we down. So we're up 1741 if we include affiliate earnings with this pool of funds. So with affiliate earnings, we're up 17, but keep in mind, we still have this amount pending. So we're still kind of down a little bit more. So if I was to actually conclude, we're probably down about $6,000, which we could easily recoup. Now, I'm going to show you a quick summary of all the projects that we have participated in. And man, all these projects have mostly failed. So it's crazy to me to see the results. But at the end of the day, that's what we're trying to explore here. So we have ETF pool, QP, C12, LK miners, TFVPM. Now we have global aid, and then we have copy trading, Vector, every hour, baked beans, one chain, capital, arbitrage king, ROI, 200 club, ITP technology, J funds, Crowdy bucks, arbitrage stack, CC bot trade, Q12 dividend, FoxPay, Soleti AI, Showa Bank, mobility share, which these were latest projects we added, AK07, okay, 12-hour earnings. Then there's MetaTrades AI, then there's Servex. So all these projects, guys, has put us in the red, and a couple of them have made us tremendous amount of money. 4K here, 24 here, 200. This is our growth strategy. So this one was doing good. This was our own trading. And I noticed my own trading is what's really holding this up. If it wasn't for that, guys, I would have lost a lot of money, but I made it back up trading my own money. And then here you have C12 pool, QP, which we did come out with a positive. C12 pool did us really good. LK miners barely paid us, and vice versa. When it comes to the latest one, Servex, we just checked the website. MetaTrades AI just stopped paying me. I had a lot of pending monies, and I just left that project alone. 12-hour earnings we just added, and as you can see here, we're pending here as well. So AK07, same thing as well. It stopped paying. As a matter of fact, I tried to log into the website, and my website didn't work. Like my username didn't work. I couldn't log in again. I tried to reach out to admin. Nobody was like helping me out. So that I found very weird. I don't know if I got hacked or whatever the case is, but I couldn't log back into my account. So this one is pretty much gone. Mobility share, we're doing well. We were able to pull money out, and then they eventually left. I assumed they would have been here longer, but that didn't work out. Showa Bank, I don't know what's going on with it. The website has been down for some time, and they have all sorts of exit strategy excuses, I like to call it. So this project, we're a little down under because we had 300 in. Now we did cash a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie, we did cash out probably 100 or so more. We are not 1 year in yet, and it was a 3-year project, but this has not been working as it should be. So we're at a loss there as well. Soleti, one of the projects I really had high hopes it would go for a while. Everything looked great. Prospects looked great. Everything looked above, par. I thought it would went a bit longer, but it didn't. And so we are a little bit down. We didn't take much money out of that project, but we had $69. FoxPay, it didn't really take off. We had 500. I did cash out a little bit, so 243. Q12 dividend also didn't take off too much. We were able to cash out a little bit, but we're still short 1,300. And we have CC bot trade minus 400. Okay, and next we have arbitrage stack, which that project actually didn't take off within like a week or two. It literally kind of rugged. So we were negative with that project at 416. And then we have Crowdy bucks, which that was also a very weird project. That project, for some reason, you had to put more money before you could withdraw. Just a bunch of stuff, and I was just, I don't know, I was tired of it. I didn't want to go through it, so I left it alone. So 178. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every single one of these because I have previous videos that I have done that I do go through these already. So we'll leave these as is. I just wanted to give an update more to the ones below. In other words, guys, I have decided that the proof is in the pudding. And when you look at the results, you can see which platforms are like HYIPs, which ones rug, which ones don't make you money. And there's a couple that seem promising and then later on they kind of rug anyways. So I realized that we have to keep our portfolio very tight. I will be focusing my energy more on real trading opportunities. So those opportunities with actual traders trading, I will risk my capital there and hopefully see, try my luck and see how far it'll go. Plus my trading as well, I would risk my own capital in order for me to trade. And hey, if I lose the money, it's a learning experience, it's a learning curve, and I am just going to get better as a trader because I'm always back testing. I'm always trying to get better and see where I went wrong so I can improve. And as time goes on, I will become more profitable and much better. And that's when it will start to kind of pan out, and all the money I've lost, I'm going to regain it back in the future anyway. So I'm okay trading and losing my money right now because I know I'll get it back later. But the good news is I'm trading and I'm making money. So that is a positive, and I've already lost a lot, but I've regained it all back. So I'm happy and thank God for that. But right now my purpose and my whole focus is how can I make you money? What can I do to help you? And what can I structure so that you can also make money online and it's not just about me? And that is what my community is about and my channel, what it's about. So we want to show you guys actual things now that really make money, and not things where people have the facade that you're making money and then they later take your money. We don't want that anymore. So we are going to limit that, and we'll always try to put our best foot forward. Not everything will always work out, we understand, but that is the risk. But we'd rather take risks on those type of opportunities than the ones that seem to just come for a short time and rug. Okay, with that said, that's it for this video, guys. Let me share my final thoughts with you and then we'll end this one. All right, so trying to make money in some of these projects has been a very challenging, and I won't lie to you, they have been challenging. But again, I'm seeing a trend and I'm seeing patterns and I'm seeing things that are working, things that are not working. So what we're going to do moving forward is we're going to focus on opportunities that are still high risk, but at the same time gives us a bit more control. And some of these things I have actually created free courses and tutorials to share some of these nuggets with you guys, things that are actually making me money. One thing, for example, is copy trading with Fairdesk, finding good traders, partnering with good traders so that they can make the money for you. And of course, you pay them for all the profits that are accumulated. They take a percentage, they give you a percentage. I think that is one of the best models to follow. Number two is liquidity pools. I'm actually in the process of setting up quite a bit of liquidity pools, and I'm going to pour a lot of liquidity in there, and I'm going to be able to make daily earnings from liquidity pools, something that I actually have in my private group, and I've taught them how to do it themselves, and those that want to participate or take advantage of, they can. And then the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to start to trade our own money, and I have already. I was able to actually take the money I earned from Compire. I think we made $1,500. I put $500. I took $1,000. I put it into pocket options. I was actually able to turn it to $27,000. However, I did make other trades and I tried to get a little greedy and I lost money, and I brought it all the way down and I got to 16,000, and then I cashed out, and I was able to make 16,000 from pocket options. And ever since then, it's been a bit of a tug of war, but I found a system that helps me to make a couple of $100s a day, basically trading pocket options, and I want to be able to also share that with you guys too. As a matter of fact, we have a trading challenge where we are going to trade or start with $100 and turn that into a monthly income, a 4 or 5 figure monthly income. And then we're going to diversify into meme coins and trading, something I've been studying. And because we're in the bull run of crypto, I feel like it's time to really take more risks on things like that than these type of projects. So rather than put money in these kind of projects, I'm personally going to be investing into meme coins. Hey, if I don't win, it's part of the risk. I get it. But if one of them takes off, $5,000 could easily turn to $5 million in a very short period of time. So meme coins is something I'm eyeing, I'm studying, I'm researching. And guess what, guys? I will be bringing all that information here on this channel. The next thing I want to do is affiliate marketing. I want to do affiliate marketing because I realized, even though I didn't put the numbers on there, even though it's not part of crypto per se, it is part of making money online. And truth be told, it's a very lucrative thing. And I have made money by accident with affiliate marketing. And I thought, why not focus on there? Like, why not focus on affiliate marketing, since it's like the path of least resistance, meaning that I'm able to make money with affiliate marketing without even knowing I can make money with affiliate marketing. So I've decided to shift my focus there and build that business. And then lastly, I am now going to focus on, if I was to pick any project online to invest in, it would be Compire. And why would I choose Compire? Well, as much as people say it's still risky and it's a platform they can rug, the fact that they got their securities license with the Australian Securities Commission, it paves a great way for me to be a little bit more comfortable and confident that this company has the right motives and is there to stay for a little bit longer. And so I really do predict that this company will make headways and will actually change a lot of lives. So I'm going to take the risk and I'm going to build this business. I'm also going to invest in it and see how far my money can go with this particular platform. And that will probably be my last crypto platform I will invest in, unless somebody brings me something that is real, tangible, has accountability and some security measures in place so that I don't lose any more money from rug pulls, if you know what I mean. And then another thing that we are going to invest in are PAM accounts, which we have one with Dragon PAM account. You can check the description underneath below. They're doing really well. They're making money for people better than what the banks can do. And they're actually pretty good. So if you want more information on that, again, I have a lot of free resources that I have done with a lot of these nuggets that can really help you guys make money. Real plays, real things, tangible proof that you can make money in them. Yes, there's risk. Not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm doing to make money, and I'm sharing with you how I'm about to pivot. And then lastly, we are now also going to make money in our private group. We have bots we have purchased, and I'm going to be doing videos on sharing the results with that with you guys. And I also have partnerships with traders, written contracts with very good traders that are willing to trade for me and my private group of investors, traders, and entrepreneurs. So anybody looking for that type of system, looking for that type of private partnerships and trading, and you don't want to like manage it and set it up yourself, then consider joining our VIP group, because we are doing a lot of great things, and some things I can't even mention on YouTube, but we are doing it in that space, and we are helping each other to grow our portfolios. So with that said, with my live trading, affiliate marketing, crypto trading, meme coins, and all the other stuff I just mentioned, and liquidity pools, I believe I will be able to make better account of my money moving forward in this crypto space. And I want to be able to help you guys do the same. Now, with that said, that's it for this video. There's a lot more I want to share, but I'll leave it at that. I really appreciate you guys for following me and also for joining me on some of this journey. So I appreciate y'all for sticking around and for subscribing. And if you haven't, please subscribe, like this video. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I really do appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you soon.